Good morning, dears. Yesterday we have completed question number 16 from exercise 18a. Look at question number 17. Here it says the perimeter of a square whose side is 11 centimeter is equal to the circumference of circle. Find the area of circle. It's exercise 18a. Now it says there is a square whose side is 11 centimeter and there is a circle given perimeter of square is equal to circumference of circle. It is given circumference of circle, it is given. Now you see side of a square is given 11 centimeter. To find area of circle, this you have to find. So we have a solution here. Solution is side of a square is 11 centimeter. So what would be the perimeter of square? 11 into 4 centimeter, 44 centimeter. So that's what circumference of circle also would be 44 centimeter. Is it? So we can write it 2 pi r is equal to 44 centimeter. So r is equal to 44 centimeter divided by 2 pi, or 44 centimeter by 2 into 22, and the 7 will goes up. Is it? So 22 to 44 cancelled. We got r is equal to 7 centimeter. If radius is 7 centimeter, what would be the area? Once again I am saying you, it has given the perimeter of square was equal to the perimeter of circle. So we got the perimeter of square, that is implemented as a perimeter of circle, and we formed the radius. We got the radius. Now we have to find the area of circle. Is it? So the area of circle would be, so area of the circle is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 centimeter square. 1 7 is cancelled. 154 centimeter square will be the area of 17 number question. Just please write it. Then question number 18, it says the shaded portion in the adjoining figure shows a circular path enclosed by two concentric circles. If the inner circumference of path is 220 meter and uniform width of a circular path is 7 meter, find the area of path. First of all, we'll see this. Just you see, I have constructed the circle. This is a path. Is it? And this width is 7 centimeter. Is it? Just you see, this width is 7 centimeter. Okay. Question number 18. Given the inner circumference of circular path is equal to 220 meter. This is 7 meter, dear, not centimeter. This is 7 meter. This portion is 7 meter, okay? Now, this inner circumference is 220 centimeter, 220 meter. So, we can write it. Now, just I am representing this inner one as R and this outer one as capital R. There is no problem. Inner one is represented as R and this outer one is represented as capital R. I don't think there should be a problem. So we can write it 2 pi R, right? Let inner radius be small r and outer radius be capital R, okay? So 2 pi R is equal to 220 meter I can write, or R is equal to 220 meter divided by 2. Pi's value is 22. The 7 will go up. 210 times 22, 5 times. So we have got R is equal to 35 meter. Is it? Width of the path is, according to the question, width of the path is equal to 7 meter. So that's what outer radius is equal to, the capital R is equal to inner R plus 7. Will it be meter? Here to here, and if I add 7, I will get the capital R, or this gives you R is equal to 35 plus 7 meter, or this gives you 42 meter. We have got the inner radius, we have got the outer radius. Is it? Now, what is the area of the path? Area of the path, I have told you, that is pi outer radius square minus inner radius square. Because what is the full area? Pi capital R square. What is the inner area? Pi is small r area radius square. So pi is taken common. Capital R square minus small r square, or outer radius square minus inner radius square, is a formula of area of concentric circle. Now we have 22 by 7 into outer radius was 42 square minus 35 square meter square. Now you can get 42 into 42 and minus 35 into 35, but I will not use that. What I am going to use, if you use, that is easy to get your answer solved within a minute. What is that? Have you learned the formula of a square minus b square? What is the formula of a square minus b square? 22 by 7 a square minus b square could be written as 42 plus 35 into 42 minus 35. In this way, we can solve our problem easier. Is it? Meter square. Or it gives you 22 by 7 into 77 into 7 meter square. This 7 is cancelled. Now 22 7s are 154. 4 writing, 15 carrying, and again 22 7s are 154 and 15. 961. So 1694 meter square. Within a minute we can solve our answer. If you want to multiply 42 into 42 and minus 35 into 35, you can go for it, no problem. But what we can do, we can use this formula, that is a square minus b square. So our sum gets solved in an easier way. Is it? Please complete it. question number 19, we have given the circumference and we have to get the area. You can do. Similarly, in 20, we have to find the circumference and we have given area. In 19, circumference is given, you have to find the area, and in 20, area is given, you have to find the circumference. So question number 90 is the homework. 20, maybe one sum we can do here, another sum is written as a homework. Question number 19 is a homework. Okay. So you leave it up to here only. 17 and 18 we have done. Question number 19 you write as a homework. Next day we will be doing question number 20 and all. Till then keep practicing. Thank you so much.